Greetings from Trinntorpsbadet in Tyresö. This nice sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea. Apart from the sandy beach, there is even a jetty that is occupied right now by some ducks. So the sand, as you can see, is quite pure and nice here at Trinntorp. And to get here, it took me 23 kilometers with my Cube cross bike that you can see right here. And it's only road, I mean asphalt, so it's perfect for a road bike like my Cube over here. See it also from the different angle. Right. So yes, it's quite a pleasant beach with even a small playground as well. And that means that we are continuing the beach adventures in Stockholm region on this 29th of August 2024. We have 24 degrees Celsius outdoors in the air and 19 degrees Celsius in the sea I just measured. And it is beach number 133 of my Speed and Beach Adventures. So let's then explore the sea over here. It is my first time here this year in Trinntorp. As I mentioned, around 23 kilometers located from my home, and it's perfect for a swim in the sea. I remember I was last year here in May and it was freezing cold in the water. However, today it is a bit warmer than that, and you can see how it is, the water, so nice and clear. It's so amazing indeed. Right. So sandy beach, as I mentioned, with some forest around and a jetty, and there's even a port over there that some of the boats are passing by. So yes, beach adventures with Chris. We are in Trinntorp in Tyresö, and it is time to take a swim in the Baltic Sea. Let's go! It's so amazing, it's so nice, it's so beautiful. A bit chilly, I cannot lie. Despite being 19 degrees, it feels a lot chillier than that. And after the first portion of sand, here it is a bit more seaweed, but the water is the same. Let's dive in again to show you more of this beauty. You see, it's so amazing and nice indeed. I just love the beach adventures out on the Baltic Sea, and Tyresö has a lot of beautiful sandy beaches indeed. So let's dive in once again. It's so amazing and nice indeed. So yes, another day out on the sea, and that means that I can enjoy a bit more here in the beautiful Baltic Sea at Trinntorp. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.